Good afternoon, members. Very welcome to Jaiswal's Garden. Today I am showing you the air layering of plants. I will be taking a plant Goa or mulberry. As I am alone to cover this video, so I am putting this on a stand and making the shooting wherein I will have to interrupt for start and stop of the videos. First of all, what we need to do air layering. The very first thing is a knife, which should be sharp enough to peel off. Next thing is scissors. Next thing is the stapler to staple. A sellotape, zip tie locks, and a polythene cover to tie the soil in the place. This is about 4 to 5 inches in height. Now let me show you the procedure how it is done. I will pause this video for a while. The very first thing is you need to select a branch which is at least the thickness of our this finger. So I have chosen this branch. We need to remove some leaves from here carefully. You see that I have removed few leaves. Now I will be making a perfect slit on this of about half an inch with the knife. So this is my knife and so it goes. You need to very carefully do this. If you do much deeper, the branch is likely to break. I am taking the width of the knife. You can see this. Now the bark is visible, bark has been removed and it is visible. Now all you need is to scrape this little bit from both sides, all the sides with the knife. Now clean this with your hands and remove the excess material. Now all the technique is here. Your roots are going to form from this end, this here area. All that you need to tie is a good soil, moistured soil. Now let me show you how I am going to make the polythene pocket for the soil to stay. So this is the polythene cover. I just need to wrap like this, 2 or 3 rounds. I am showing you a little bit bigger width of this polythene. If you can make a smaller width, no issues. Now why we are using this polythene sheet transparent is we need to check for the roots, which will take about 1 month to form, in a more than a month in a Goa plant to form. So this is the way we wrap the sheet, and now I am going to staple this for it to stay in place so that handling becomes easy. Now I take the stapler and staple it so that it is perfectly round in shape. staple, second staple, and third staple at little bit upper from here and little bit under from here. Now this makes it little tubular. You can see now it is red. Now what we do is take a zip tie lock. This is the tie lock. Now we combine this polythene bag like this. This is the way it has to go. Make this like that and just tie this zip tie over here. Now you need to make this neatly like this so that the soil is properly filled into this and the upper portion is also tied with this zip tie as shown. Now I'll be putting soil into this. Please watch. This is the soil which I had brought. This has been prepared 3 months ago, which is containing a lot of humus into this, which is most required for the plants for a proper and healthy growth. Now I'll be slowly adding the soil into this pocket, little by little, so that the slick is covered with the soil. It is a little tough job, not as tough as it looks, but one needs to have little patience in doing this. Now you need to press the soil a little bit so that it is intact throughout the circumference of the stem. And we may have to add little more soil into this. Now that is enough. The bag is filled. And all I'll be doing is I'll pressing the soil by my fingers so that it becomes a tight lump. And I'll put another tie wrap on the top. I need to remove some soil because I'm not getting a grip for tying the soil. Now I have to take a zip tie for tying it. Now why am I using the zip tie? Well, this is the best way of tying it. You will have more difficulty in tying a rope or a thread around this, which will not stay for a longer time. This is made out of nylon, which will not damage even to sunlight, even to your rains or anything. Thus, the tightening of it, we can say this. I'm just putting this. All you need is to pull up this I'm tying it. Now I have tied this completely. I'm pressing this uniformly. Now, now I will tie and one more tie, two ties together here so that it is perfectly intact to the stem. I'm taking two more ties. Because the diameter is more, I need to tie two zip ties here to this. I put it like this. Just tie it, zip lock it. Here you don't need to water this because it will be taking water from the mother plant. Now I have cut off the excess zip tie lock. This will take roughly about 1 month plus to 1.5 months for the roots to appear. Once 1 month is crossed, you need to check on and off for this roots to develop, which will look almost like this. Already there is an tied up. You can see this. You can see the tiny roots, white roots. This has been tied roughly about a month and a half ago. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much, members. This was a long awaited video from my side. Hope you liked it.